Hi, grade 5. Meet me again. Okay? And today, this week, we will learn about interest and hobby. But before we start the lesson, let's pray first. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, let's start the lesson by reciting basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So hopefully this lesson will give you more knowledge and fun. Okay, next. Today we will learn about interest and hobby. What is interest? What is hobby? Some of you might think that they are the same things, interest and hobby. And also in this lesson we will learn about how to compose the good sentence when talk about interest and hobby. Interest is something one likes to do or something that one has a feeling for. The example is she has an interest in poetry or he is interested in watching the game. Jadi interest itu adalah sesuatu yang kita suka atau yang kita rasakan, ya. Tapi bukan kata kerja atau not the activity. But the hobby is something one likes to do in his pastime or a spare time atau for the recreational pursuit. It's just like for the happiness. Yeah, I'm happy doing that one, so that one is my hobby. Hobby is an action atau activity, something that someone do. Bedanya gini, kalau interest itu adalah kesukaan, tapi bukan merupakan activity, kegiatan. Tapi kalau hobi itu something that you do, sesuatu yang teman-teman lakukan. I like cooking. Cooking itu kan activity ya, kegiatan. Nah itu namanya bukan interest, tapi namanya hobi. Kalau I interest in poetry, saya suka puisi. Nah itu namanya interest. Beda ya. Jadi kalau hobi itu pasti activity, kegiatan. Let's watch the video.
English Sing Sing. I like playing the guitar.
Do you remember that last time when you were in grade 4, you learned about hobby with ink form? Something like I like cooking, I enjoy reading, semuanya harus pakai ink. Ingat ya. Terus ada lagi yang I love fishing gitu ya. He likes swimming, semuanya pakai ink. Oke, itu namanya hobi.
Hello, today we are going to talk about our hobbies and interests. Let's start. What are your hobbies, guys? What are your hobbies, guys?
I like playing basketball with my
I
friends.
like playing. Ingat ya, harus ada ing-nya kalau hobi.
I like playing
Dan
basketball
merupakan
with my
verb
friends.
atau kata kerja. Ya, kata kerja ditambahin ing.
I don't like playing basketball.
Jadi kalau nggak suka ditambahin don't. I don't like, I don't
If you teach me how
enjoy,
to play basketball,
I
maybe
don't
will like it.
love. Ya.
I don't like playing basketball. I enjoy playing soccer and hiking. If you teach me how to play basketball, maybe I will like it.
Yeah, sure. It's fun playing with friends. Yeah, sure. It's fun playing with friends.
What do you usually do in your free
Kalau
time?
kita mau nanya hobi, kita juga bisa bilang what do you do?
What do you usually do in your
What
free
do
time?
you do? Free time itu kalau
I love driving so much.
misalnya
Sometimes I
you don't
drive
have
at night.
anything to
I
do,
feel
so you
relaxed
just
while I'm
free, you don't
driving.
need to do your homework and your other activity, bisa dibilang
I
namanya
love
free
driving
time.
so much. Sometimes
Ya.
I drive at night. I feel relaxed
Jadi
while I'm driving.
ingat ya, kalau untuk menanya hobi atau kesukaan kita bisa bilang nanyanya
and
what
playing
do
video
you
games is a big part of my life.
like to
I
do
don't know what I
atau
would do
what
in a
do
world
you
without video
do.
games.
Pakainya do karena kita menanyakan
and
activity
playing
atau
video
kegiatan.
games is a big part of my life. I don't know what I would do in a world without video games.
Oke.
What is your all-time favorite video game? What
About skydiving last time we met. Have you tried it since our
Di
last
sini
meeting?
kita masih belajar namanya hobi. Ada skydiving
Yes,
and
I have.
everything ya.
It was amazing. I hope someday we will do it together. I'm sure you will like it too. It's pure adrenaline. Yes, I have. It was amazing. I hope someday we will do it.
have you ever heard of parkour? I think it looks fun but a little dangerous.
Is it worth trying? Is it worth trying?
Of course, we will run and vault over walls. It will be tiring but exciting.
Ada yang tahu parkour? Parkour itu
Of course,
yang
we will run and
loncat-loncat
vault over
and
walls.
running.
It
So
will
you
be
need to
tiring but
run
exciting.
fast and jump wherever you are.
Are you interested
Ya,
in
jadi
cars?
kalau parkour itu yang melompat dari biasanya from one roof
Are
to
you
another
interested in
roof,
cars?
dari satu atap rumah ke atap rumah yang lain, atau dari satu
Yes. Why
step
did you
from
ask?
another step, dari tangga gitu ya ke tangga yang lain sambil
Yes.
biasanya ada
Why did
rolling
you
out,
ask?
kayak berguling gitu. Oke.
I heard there will be a big fair about supercars. I thought maybe you'd come.
Nah, barusan dia tanya gini,
I heard there will be a big fair about supercars.
mana ya?
I thought maybe you'd come.
Are you interested in car? Tadi kita nanyanya what do you do? Itu menanyakan activity. What do you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Berarti itu kita ngomongin hobi. It's all about the hobby. Ya. Now the man asking with are you interested in car? Car itu activity bukan? Car itu kegiatan bukan? No ya, car is a noun, kata benda. Jadi di sini bedanya. Kalau hobi jawabannya pasti activity, kegiatan, verb, kata kerja. Tapi kalau interest kita nanyanya pakai noun. Are you interested in car? Kamu suka mobil enggak? Jelas ya bedanya ya. Oke, next ya, we will see next.
Are you interested in cars?
Yes. Why did you ask?
Kalau ya suka bilangnya yes, kalau enggak tidak. No, I don't, tapi I am not interested. Waktu kelas 4 teman-teman juga sudah belajar yang namanya boring sama bored, interested sama interesting, excited sama exciting. Ingat ya. Nah, di sini juga sama. Interested, jadi dia bilangnya no, I am not interested. nggak pakai do not, bukannya I don't interested, bukan ya. Beda ya. Jadi di sini kita sudah belajar yang namanya present tense, tapi untuk menyatakan interestnya itu kita pakainya to be, is, am, are. Next.
Yes. Why did you ask?
I heard there will be a big fair about supercars. I thought maybe you'd come. I heard there will be a big fair about supercars. I thought maybe you'd come.
That's perfect news. We would love to go.
Oke, jadi sudah tahu ya. Kalau hobi pasti tentang activity atau verb atau kegiatan. Kalau interest is about what do you think and then what do you feel. Jadi gabungannya nanti sama noun atau kata benda. Next. Nah, in your book you will read or you will find this one. In the bookstore, they are buying books for school. You will read boring, interesting, interested, enjoy, and everything, gitu ya. Nanti teman-teman bisa cek di bukunya masing-masing. Nah, di sini kita ngomongin yang namanya interest, tapi mostly in your book you only read about the school subject. Cuman ada tentang mata pelajaran, ada music, ada science, ada math, ada PE, ada language gitu ya, sama how to express your feeling, bagaimana menyatakan perasaan kamu tentang interestnya, tentang kesukaannya, suka atau enggak gitu. Contoh, what's your favorite subject? I like geography. Hi, so on your book, in this page, you will see a lot of interest, yeah. But most of that, it's about the lesson subject. Jadi yang teman-teman baca di buku hanya seperti pelajaran gitu ya, ada science and everything. Next. In this page, you read many of subject lesson at school, geography, science, PE, and etc. Nah, itu namanya sampel contoh dari interest. Are you interested in biology? Do you like PE? PE bukan hobi, tapi interest, gitu ya. Karena PE bukan activity, but the name of the activity. Ingat tadi, are you interested in car? Kalau interest itu gabungannya sama noun, bukan sama verb, ya, sama kata benda. Jadi walaupun di sini Misulis bilang, do you like science? Nah, itu bukan ngomongin hobi. Kalau Misulis ngomongin hobi, Misulis tanyanya gini, do you like eating? Do you like cooking? Do you enjoy hiking? Itu namanya hobi. Tapi kalau Misulis tanyanya gini, are you interested in physics? Kamu suka fisika enggak? Nah, fisik itu merupakan part of the interest, bagian dari kesukaan. Ya, jadi beda ya. Kalau hobi kita pakainya in, kalau interest kita pakainya benda. Oke. Terus kalau hobi biasanya kita nanyanya pakai do atau does. Do you like cooking? Does she like hiking? Do they love singing? Gitu ya. pakainya do atau does. Nah, kalau nanyain interest biasanya pakainya is, am, are atau to be. Contoh, are you interested in math? Kamu suka math nggak? Gitu ya. Is he interested in PE? Dia suka PE nggak? Gitu ya. Jadi bedanya nanyanya pakai do atau does untuk hobi, untuk kesukaan. Kalau nanyain interest kita pakainya is, am, are. Diingat ya. Karena ini memang agak susah membedakan. It's a little bit difficult for us to differentiate is it hobby or interest. Ya. Next. Nah, di kelas 5 di kelas 4 you already learn about WH question. Pertanyaan menggunakan huruf W dan huruf H. Nah, di sini in grade 5 you will use more WH question. Di kelas 4 cuma nanyanya waktu itu kalau nggak salah where does she live, where do they live, where does the old woman live, where do the three bears live. Ingat ya, yang waktu kita belajar pertama kali kelas 4 ada she live in the big shoe house. Nah, kita kebanyakan cuma pakai where sama what waktu kelas 4. Nah, di sini we will use more of WH question. WH question ada 6. Where di mana, what apa, who siapa, when kapan, why kenapa atau mengapa, how bagaimana. Oke, kita coba ya. Kita coba praktis dulu sebentar. Miss Sulas harus ganti karena Miss Sulas harus ngetik di sini. Wait ya. Oke. Di sini pilihannya the answer are English, geography, art, science, music, and math. Pertanyaannya kita coba jawab. Bisa nggak? Oke. I learned a lot of songs in this class. Kalau kita belajar a lot of song tentang nyanyi, tentang lagu, kita kira-kira belajarnya di mana? It's talk about apa? Oke, good. Music ya. Sebentar, kita kasih jawaban dulu, ditandain dulu ya. Oke. We are talking in class but we are not. Ingat ya, waktu kelas 4 we learn about do sama does. Jadi kalau kita tidak bilangnya we don't. Atau kalau dia tidak she doesn't. He doesn't. He does not. She does not. I don't. They don't. We don't. Nah, di sini pakainya are seperti yang tadi Miss Tulis bilang. We are not speaking. Hati-hati ya kalau kita ngomongin interest karena beda lagi makainya bukan pakai do sama does but we use to be is, am, are. We are talking in the class but we are not speaking Chinese. Jadi kita we speak English ya. Ini jawabannya English. Oke. Number 3. I like studying about different places in this class. Kira-kira kalau kita ngomongin tentang banyak tempat, banyak lokasi, kita belajar tentang apa? Good. Geography. Ya. Nah, misalnya sudah kerjakan 3. Selebihnya teman-teman coba untuk jawab sendiri ya. You need to try on your own. Good. Next, ini juga. Bener nggak? Ya, oke. This one ya. Nah, di sini it's a little bit difficult. Just a little bit. Oke. Ada choicesnya, pilihannya ada really, thanks, because it's interesting. No, I can't play that sport. Sure, let's meet on Thursday. Oh, you're good at playing the piano. Not me, I think it's boring. Yes, it is. It's exciting. I like music best. Pilihannya ada 8, there are 8 choices, but the question is only 6. Jadi ada 2 yang we don't use it. What is your favorite subject? Kira-kira yang mana? What is your favorite subject? Kamu suka pelajaran apa? Jadi jawabannya yang mana kira-kira? Good. I like music best. Berarti ingat ya, I like music bestnya dicoret aja karena we already use it here. Oke. Nomor 2, dia tanya, kenapa? Kira-kira what is the answer? Really? Thanks. Because it is interesting. No, I can't play that sport. Sure, let's meet on Thursday. Oh, you're good at playing the piano. Atau yang mana jawabannya? What is your favorite subject? I like music best. Why? Karena gitu. Kalau kita tanya pakai kenapa, jawabannya karena. Jadi pilih yang pakai karena yang mana? Good. Because it is interesting. Because it is interesting. Good. Nah, temennya jawab lagi. Oh, I like PE katanya. Kalau ada yang bilang kayak gitu, I like PE. Kira-kira what do we answer? What will we say? Kira-kira apa? Kamu suka pelajaran apa? Saya suka musik. Kenapa? Soalnya itu menarik. Itu keren, ya. Terus temannya jawab lagi, oh kalau aku sukanya sport, PE. Kira-kira yang mana pilihannya? No, I can't play that sport. Yes, it is exciting. Not me, I think it's boring. Atau, oh, you are good at playing piano. Yang mana yo? Okay, not me. I think it's boring. Kebanyakan N-nya. Okay. Good. Next, you can do this one, ya. You can continue do this one. Okay. Next. This one already. For number 4, 5, and 6, you can do it. Oh yeah, don't forget, I already shared the link for your workbook. So please, if you don't mind, please print that workbook, because most of the exercise that I give you, it's I take from the workbook. Okay, I think that's all for today, grade 5. So enjoy your day. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay fit, and always be grateful. And let's end this lesson by saying Hamdalah, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you, grade 5. Bye. See you.